Hey everyone, well, it's the last week of April and we're up at the farm. Oh, excuse me. So brought a load of stuff up. That's kind of the process now. We bring a load of stuff out of the city, things that we've sorted that we determine we want to keep, and they either move into the house or they move into one of the 3 storage containers. Those 3 storage containers are projects, mainly old furniture that my wife is going to redo, tools, which is stuff out of the garage and my stuff, and then household. And so we have 3 40-footers that we put on the foundations. You've should have already seen that stuff. And we're just getting going on it. It is cold and wet here today. So it came up yesterday, sun was out, it was pretty nice. But today, Sunday the 27th, it is just cold. And it's not raining. It was raining when I got up at 6:30. It's misting now. So I was able to get the fire started. You'll see some of that here coming up. And we're gonna do some, I gotta get the tractor started. Somebody left the key on, so get that started. I don't know that I'll film much of that. It's just getting the charger to charge it up, but it is what it is. Take the plow off, put the grapple or the bucket back on. Yeah, it's just a weekend, but the big thing is we got the fire going. I waited for the heavy rains to stop, and got it lit. And as I say, I'll just put some video in of the first startup here. But we're just doing some work. Come along, show you what's going on, and we'll go from there. Thanks.
I came from the mud, there's dirt on my hands, strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law, hope they won't shoot me down soon. Catch me howling at the moon.
Alright, we're going to run up to the other end and drop the plow off along the tree line where we kept the mower for the winter season. And then we're going to come back with the grapple on, and we're going to stir the burn pile because it's starting to wind down. So let's get going.
Up to my chin. Won't stop fighting to the very end. Many men try to reach it, many men fell. Well, if you wanna get to heaven, you gotta raise a little hell. And I've been running from the law.
you have your way, and it's making me weaken. You and your stardust, walking like that. It's really getting too much, but I can't pull back. Though I try to resist, I can't fight this. And no one makes me feel like you do. And no one sets my body on fire. And no one gives me shivers like you. Oh, no one does it better. How I try to sleep, but you're deep in my mind. Got a hold of me. When I'm awake, I'm all blind. You and your magic, like infinite.
Okay, I didn't really show it, but once you get the grapple hanging and pinned, then you got to get the hydraulics hooked up. And if it is standing with its claw open like this, you'll never get it hooked up because there's downward pressure here, and you end up having to literally drain the whole cylinder to get it to close. So what I do, because I usually park it like this, is I go pick it up as you saw, and then I roll it like this and set it on the ground. And then I turn the tractor off, turn the key on so everything's hot. I cycle all the hydraulics so that the clamshell, the boom, everything just settles. And then you still have to push the buttons in to relieve a little bit of tension, but it's, half a teaspoon of oil versus what would happen if that clam was left all the way up and you had to drain the cylinder to get it closed so that you could hook the hydraulics up. So if you're not doing that, try and think of how do you get your hydraulics into a neutral state, because that will reduce the amount of oil that gets lost with each change of implement. So we are going to go over here to the burn pile, and we're going to start picking through the burn pile and trying to get some things restacked so that we can try another burn maybe tomorrow morning. So let's go do that.
God knows I tried to resist, but you're pulling me closer. Oh, I gotta stay away, but you won't let me. No one makes me feel like you do, and no one sets my body on fire, and no one gives me shivers like you.
Yes, Nora?
Hey, I am coming by the farm to put a really thorny bush in your fire. Is there anything you need me to bring from Cloquet?
I don't think so. I was just there getting some screws and stuff, so I
Okay.
picked up what I needed. You're bringing a bush for the burn pile, is that what you said?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know if you've seen my front yard, but that really kind of ugly, really thorny bush.
Right.
Yeah. I was like, ooh, he's burning, and I don't want this on my property or your property. So as long as you're burning, I'm going to throw it in there.
Yeah, no, bring it over. I'm just restacking it, and then I'm going to restart it in the morning. So.
Okay, sounds good.
All right, great. Bye.
All right, bye.
Oh, no one does it better.
Just a note on this bed frame that we're going to pick up right here, and that is that it had some burn marks on it already from someone prior burning the cover off of it, and the recycler won't take it with any wood on it. So we're just throwing it back on the burn pile, trying to burn the wood off of it, and then the metal heads out to recycling after that.
And no one makes me feel like you do, and no one sets my body on fire, and no one gives me shivers like you. Oh,
Okay, we're going to wrap this up. There will be more videos from this weekend coming. Like and subscribe, and come on back for the next one. Thanks a lot.